And let me see if I can get the 6L80 Techm apart. And it's a T20 Torx on this, so that's the bolts, and then we'll just get to seeing if we can get it apart. Alright, here's my conclusions on this. This video is just not wanting to be made. I've had more troubles with batteries and SD cards on this little stupid video than any of the others, it seems like. But anyhow, here's what we got. Once you get it off, but you're not going to get it off with the soldering gun, these split apart right here. And I think it would be easier to probably replace the halves than it would be to try to replace individual solenoids. So if you look at on here where these are put together, they're not soldered, they are spot welded. So that wasn't coming apart, so I cut them out. You might be able to resolder that in, but there's that. And then once you get them out, or you get the apart, these are molded in. And I tried cutting around the front part of this right here to get it out. It still wouldn't come out, so I had to slice it down the center right there. And once you do that, you can spread the plastic out enough that you can get the solenoid out. They're really worried about the solenoids coming out, so I think, you know, probably would have to epoxy it in there if you did do this. Here in the US, it's just not going to be worth it. You just replace it, but you know, things are getting hard to find, so this may be something that has to be done. I know in other countries where you can't get stuff, you might be thinking about trying to do this, and let me tell you, it's a chore. So that's how it comes apart, and if you have to do this, good luck to you. I don't think it's worth it. Too much trouble. Okay, we'll catch you on the next one.